I am Dr. Neema Bisht, BDS by degree and a pharma professional. Also, I am founder of CareerInPharma, wherein I provide guidance and training to healthcare professionals. I am on a mission to help 1 lakh healthcare professionals to attain financial security through career into clinical research industry. Hello everyone. Once again I welcome you all to CareerInPharma. So today I will be talking about what is the role of Drug Safety Associate inside Pharmacovigilance, and I will be covering this in 5 topics. First of all, I will tell you what are the different profile names for Drug Safety Associate role in various companies. After that, I will tell you who all are eligible for this profile, which is a profile inside Pharmacovigilance. Then I will tell you the name of companies where you can apply. Then fourth is I will tell you what is the basic salary structure at a very fresher level, and going forward how is the growth. And last but not the least, which is very important point which you need to understand, is what is the impact of the work which you do at a very larger scale. Okay, means how you are impacting the patient safety. Also, I will tell you the exact work which a drug safety associate do in his or her job. Okay, so let's begin the video soon. So point number 1, see, drug safety associate is a profile name for a fresher role. It's a fresher role, fresher job, fresher profile name into pharmacovigilance. So there are various other names to drug safety associate depending on company. It's like in different companies the designation name, the profile name will be different, but you all have to do the same work. So what are the other profile names like synonym to drug safety associate with which you can look for job, search for job? So one is drug safety associate, safety associate, safety associate trainee, pharmacovigilance executive, pharmacovigilance officer, and pharmacovigilance associate. Okay, so these many profile names you can look for this drug safety role, which is a profile name at a very fresher level. Second point is who all are eligible. So for this role, any person who is having a sound medicine, surgery and pharmacology knowledge, they all are eligible. So for example, all dentists, be it BDS, MDS, physiotherapist, masters, graduate, postgraduate, doesn't matter, nursing graduates, and physiotherapist I already mentioned, pharmacy graduate, and alternate medicine graduate. And in some companies they take microbiologist also, but not very common. Alternate medicine graduates I already did, and all pharmacy graduates. So all the people who are graduate in any of this, you all are eligible for a drug safety associate role inside pharmacovigilance. Now third is name of the companies. See, I am going to tell you companies with major one. Okay, otherwise city wise also there might be many small companies which I am not aware about, but I will tell you the major ones. So we have TCS, Cognizant, Wipro, Accenture, Birlasoft, and yesterday only I heard that Deloitte, which is a software company, also hiring for pharmacovigilance associate. So this is a new news for me also. Okay, if anyone is having any idea about this Deloitte hiring for pharmacovigilance associate, or if not, if I am wrong also, you can comment in the chat box, because this is the new information I got yesterday only, and I need to verify how much this information is right or wrong. Okay, so these are few IT companies. Apart from IT companies, pure pharma companies, we have like Cipla, Zydus, IPCA, IPCA, okay, Sun Pharma, okay, GSK. So in all these companies also you can apply. And if I talk about CROs, major CROs are IQVIA, Parexel, Icon, Covance. Yeah, so these are the major ones, okay, where you can apply. And like Teva Pharmaceuticals, okay, Teva Pharmaceuticals, Indegene is there, So these are like major ones for this drug safety associate role. Now next is, what is the salary structure and how it will grow. See, salary structure at a very basic level means fresher level will be anything. I will talk about in hand take home salary. I am not talking about CTC, because CTC, like sometimes in some companies CTC will be very high but take home salary will be same. Okay, so you can, if you start as a fresher inside this drug safety associate role, which is a fresher role inside pharmacovigilance, you can start anything between 20,000 to 35,000 also it can go. Again, depending on company, depending on location, depending on your background also. Sometimes what happens, to dentist and alternate medicine graduates, they are giving more as compared to pharmacy graduates. This is happening inside industry, so it will vary, but minimum at any cost, irrespective of company, you will get 20,000 in hand for sure. Okay. And now I will talk about the growth part. See, whenever you join any company as a fresher or experience, irrespective of what you are, every company gives you training as per their term and conditions. Okay, some client specific trainings are there, company specific trainings are there. So if you are a fresher, you will sure get a training of around 3 to 6 months. In some big organizations like IQVIA, it may go up to 6 months also, because see, big organizations who are very structured, I mean, they take a intensive phase of training. So don't worry, in training phase also you will get salary, like minimum, suppose let's say you started with 20,000. So for sure 20,000 in hand you will get for 6 months, and as soon as you finish your training phase and you become a permanent employee to the company, immediately your salary will increase like 21,000 or 22 or 23 also in hand, immediately within 6 months. And once you finish 1 year, then a yearly hike happens in each and every company, irrespective of your grade, fresher or experienced or senior manager. So hike is there. This hike will be like around 2% up to 10-15% also it goes. So how there is so much variation, because there is something called fixed percentage hike and there is something called, it depends on your performance also. So it like 2% to 10-15% also you can go. Other than this, in few companies you will get client bonus. So client bonus is on top of your salary. Okay, depending on who your client is. Some client gives bonuses to their team members. Okay, so that also you are eligible for. And yearly hike I already told you. Now when you are switching from one company to other company, see, I am going to tell you how much hike you will get when you switch company. So it doesn't mean that you should be frequently switching your company. At least you should be giving 2 years to any company. See, unless and until work culture is very bad, management is very bad, that you are not able to tolerate, your basic lifestyle has screwed up because of this management or micromanagement and work culture, then you can switch. Otherwise, at least if it's manageable, be there in any company for at least 2 years. Give these 2 years because that is a learning phase also for you. Okay, so once you are going to switch from one company to other, maybe after 2 years or 3 years, then short 50% hike in your CTC you will get for sure. That is like surety. Okay, and it is negotiable. There is no hard and fast rule that you will get just 50% or just 40%. No, it is negotiable. I have seen people who negotiate very well and they negotiate like 80-90% hike also. So all depends on your negotiation skill as well, apart from the fixed percentage growth which happens. So okay, so this is about the growth going forward. This is salary growth, and in terms of your designation wise growth, career wise growth, that is also very good. Like you start from a trainee, then you become associate, then you become senior associate, then you become senior operational specialist, then you become operational specialist 2, then you become line manager, junior line manager, senior line manager, you can become a lead, you can go to some business analysis role also. So multiple roles are there, and growth is really very good, trust me guys. Growth is very good. Definitely for that kind of growth you also have to work accordingly. Yeah, so that is about salary structure and growth structure. Now I will talk about what is the exact thing you will be doing, which is very important. And why I'm going to discuss it, because see, whatever field you select to go, you should be knowing each and everything about that field, which is very important. Because sometimes without knowing what you have to do and you go blank, then maybe you don't like that work, right? So it depends on your interest also. Because when I was looking for this career change, no one, I was not aware also, and no one, I did not get any information from anyone that what is the exact nature of work, what exactly I will be doing inside this corporate sector. And because of this, I joined the industry very late, because I was not able to correlate the things like how from a person who is totally from clinical background treating the live patient can work in front of laptops. So I faced this issue, and I don't want you guys to face the same. That's why I'm telling you the nature of work, exactly what work you will be doing, so that you will get clarity on that if this work suits you or not. Okay, first thing, you don't have to deal with live patient, you will be dealing with patient data, that is very sure. And you are not directly affecting the patient safety, but indirectly you are affecting patient safety on a larger scale. Means, let's say if you have your dental clinic or your clinical practice, in that definitely limited number of patients will come, right? But inside pharmaceutical industry, whatever work you are doing in on patient data is going to affect like million, billion, trillion people. Okay, because it's not a it's not about limited number of people, it's like masses, it works on masses. So you are going to impact patient safety or a bigger number. Okay, now I will tell you what exactly you will be doing. So definitely it's a typical desk job, just like IT people do. What you need is just laptop, data, that's all. Okay, so data is very important, Wi-Fi. Okay, so patient company will send patient report to you. Okay, patient report definitely in the form of PDFs, in the form of Word document also it can come, whatever are the modes of data. Okay, in that form you will get the data, in which each and every detail of the patient will be given. Means, when the patient took drug, I mean before that, patient demographics, medical history, surgical history, allergy history, and when the patient took drug, when the patient had the side effect. See, I am using side effect here, otherwise inside pharmacovigilance we use adverse event term. So I will not go to this technical term of adverse event, I will use side effect. Okay, just to make it clear to all of you. So you have to see the report, and you have to see that after taking drug, when the side effect happened to the patient, and what kind of side effect happened, how serious it was. Maybe because of that side effect patient hospitalized, it may also happen, right? So seriousness, severity of the side effect also you have to look. And after after that, after going through the entire report, you have to generate a narrative. So in that narrative, you have to write each and everything about the patient demographics, surgical history, medical history, patient history, when the patient took drug, when the side effect happened, how serious the side effect was, all this stuff you have to compile in a narrative. Okay, it's kind of giving a narration, summary of the case, that specific individual patient case, right? So now, in that narration you will also conclude that if the side effect which happened to the patient was because of the drug only, or maybe there was any other medical factor present. For example, let's say I am just giving an example, don't take that this is a live example or real example. So let's say, for example, after taking COVID-19, the patient had stroke. Okay, and patient report come to you that patient is diabetic also, some heart ailment is there, I mean multi blah 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 is there. So after going through the patient report, and after entering all the data into database, okay, database or software also you can say, we have many database like Argus, Eris-G, Scepter, Sapphire, many are there depending on company clients what they are using. Otherwise, see, basics remain same. That patient, like live patient is coming to you, here patient data is coming to you, and you have to take all the record of the patient, you have to enter the patient data into the database. So now the question is, see, what conclusion you are drawing that will impact patient safety on a bigger level. How? Because whatever conclusion you are making, and finally which is getting to be reviewed by any medical reviewer in a company. Based on that, the pharma company will decide whether to continue that drug into market, or to withdraw or ban the drug from market, or to continue the drug with update in the leaflet. Now what does it mean, update? Update means, see, definitely whenever any clinical trial is going on, not necessary that all the side effects they are able to detect, because inside any clinical trial there is a limited set of population, and whenever the drug is coming into market for general public use, then many side effects which did not occur during clinical trial, companies are able to see that through these reports which are coming to us. And through this conclusion which we are drawing, companies are able to decide further whether to continue the drug or to update the leaflet. So many side effects they keep on updating in the leaflet. Okay, let's say by any report we concluded that patient is diabetic, so this diabetes drug and this company drug is interacted, and because of the drug interaction side effect happened. So in that case, company will add in leaflet that patient with diabetes or this drug, take this medicine with precaution, something they will like update the leaflet. And suppose if any side effect is there which is like major in nature, which is because of which the patient was hospitalized, and it's concluded that that side effect was because of the drug only, in that case company will withdraw that drug from the market, because no pharma company wants any drug for the patient to which led them for any hospitalization or any serious issue. In that case, company will withdraw or ban the drug from market. Okay, so this is the bigger impact of the analysis which you are doing at the back end. So in front, what is happening? Pharma companies are able to decide what to do with that drug which is in market. Okay, so this is the bigger impact. Okay, so don't think that this is very small work which you are doing or it's just a data entry. No, this is more than this. I mean, each patient data is like one live patient you are dealing with. Only difference is not patient is coming to you, patient data is coming to you. Okay, so this is the like exact role. And impact I already told you. Okay, impact, ultimately it's affecting patient safety, because no pharma company wants to continue any drug in the market which is not going to save the patient life or which is very harmful for the patient, right? So that is the bigger impact. So I hope now regarding drug safety associate, salary structure is clear, role of work is clear, different profile name is clear, and company's name is also clear. I hope I have covered everything about drug safety role in this video. If you feel anything I need to add, then please comment in the comment section. I will be more than happy to add those points. And if I miss something, please add that point also, so that other viewers can also get to know about this. Okay, with this I am going to conclude this video, and will be coming very soon with some fresh video and with some fresh topic. And please, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and will be coming soon, very soon, with some next fresh video. Till the time I come again, till the time, please stay safe, healthy, connected, updated and aware. Thank you.